Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Valerie. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. If you're not new, thank you for clicking to watch another video. Be sure to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment at any point during this video. As you guys can tell by the title, we are talking about how to make money in 2022 because I don't know about you, but in this year, I'm in my bag. Like, I'm all about the shmoney. I'm all about making my coins, okay? Like, your girl, this isn't broke season. This is bag season, okay? So I'm gonna tell you guys some tips that I will be using as well on how to make more money in 2022, how to get rich this year, honey. We're taking the trips, buying the bags, whooped, whooped, being happy all throughout. Period. Okay, the first tip is kind of cliche, but it's the truth. You have to add value this year, guys. Add value to someone. It could be in form of a product or in form of a service. It could be babysitting. Right now with lockdown and parents still going to work, people are paying top dollar for babysitting. So it could be babysitting, it could be a YouTube channel. You can start making YouTube videos. That's gonna take a bit longer, but we're not doing get rich quick schemes. We're just trying to get rich, you know? We're in it for the long term. So provide any type of value, service, or product. And, you know, nothing is too small. Don't think like, you know, no one wants to learn how to do this. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Whatever you can do, there are 7 billion people in this world. I promise you, somebody wants to learn what you know. So start a YouTube channel, babysit, or whatever other service you can offer, whether you can take care of someone's grandma, whatever it is. Trust me, just add value to someone because money only responds to value. So another thing you can do to add value is counseling and coaching. So if you're experienced in any area of life, there are people who probably need your expertise. So coaching, counseling, YouTube, babysitting, those are, I feel like those are where the gold mine's at. So my second tip is for my 9-to-5 babes and guys. If you are a 9-to-5er, I will recommend that you improve your skill and ask for a higher pay. Now, I'm going to give an example that's not really 9-to-5, but this is just to show you that this is very versatile. If you work in a company where they promote from within, this is a great thing for you to do. You have to improve your skills because no one's just gonna offer you more money for no reason. Improve your skills and then apply for a higher position or ask for a higher position. When I worked at Zara promotes from within, right? So I was a cashier and you could be a head cashier. And you just have to be fast on cash. You have to know everything. The managers have to trust you with counting the money and things like that. If you up your skills on cash, you have a good chance of being the head cashier. And that comes with a little bit more money, but you get to build up from there. Because if you get your foot into that door of where you're already promoted to head cash, you can get promoted to head office or anything else, to manager, store manager, whatever it is. So improve your skill and ask for a higher pay. If you are in corporate, I'm not sure, but if your company gives you like you know, some money to improve your skill, take it, get really good at it, and be like, listen, I know how to do this, and you know, I think I deserve more pay. Or you can improve your skill and start a side hustle as well for that particular skill, just in case your company is like, we're not promoting, we don't care. But improve your skill and ask for a higher pay. It doesn't matter if you're retail like Zara or you're a 9-to-5er working in corporate. Trust me, no one can argue with your skills. My third point is something we've all heard as well, and that is start saving something. Like $10, $20, $5. Start saving something and save in a Tfsa or a high interest savings account. So I can't go into all the details, but Tfsa is basically a tax-free savings account. You know, you're not taxed even when you withdraw the money, as long as you're within as long as you don't go over the contribution room for the year, I believe. And a high interest savings account, same thing, you're just getting a high interest and on your savings. I use EQ Bank for high interest savings accounts, and I use my Tfsa account as well, and I really enjoy both. So it doesn't really matter whatever bank that you're using, but it's very important to save and, you know, get interest as you're saving your money, so it's not just sitting there. Remember, we're thinking long term. This is not you trying to get rich to just buy your Chanel bag and then be broke at the end of the year. No, we're thinking long term. Okay, and the last tip that I have for you guys is to invest in what you understand. The last thing you want to do is invest your money in something that you have no idea and how it works, because you're going to lose your money. Don't invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these things if you don't understand what's happening, if you don't understand the market, if you don't understand things like that. Relax and invest in what you understand. That's why I talked about Tfsa and high interest savings accounts, because those are understandable. You don't have to do too much. Try doing those first before you go diving into Bitcoin and other things like that. This is how you get rich, and this is how you stay rich. If you just throw money into something that you don't understand, you don't have any intellectual knowledge, you're going to lose your money like this. Okay, so another way you can invest money is by Forex trading, right? I used to trade Forex. I was trading Forex in like 2020. I did make some money and I did lose some money, which is normal. I think the most I made, I traded for like only maybe a month or two, and I made about $3,000, so 3 grand, and I made it in like maybe a week, but then I lost half of it like overnight. So like I said, it's very but I do understand how the market works, so I'm going back to doing that. But if you don't understand it, it's okay to learn. You know, try investing in yourself. Investing in Forex is like investing in yourself. You have to try companies, and I'm not talking about IML, I'm talking about really good companies that teach you how to trade so that you can also trade confidently on your own. An example of that company is LLA, that's Lavish Life Academy by Ruby. I was in the organization when it first launched. I joined a few months after it launched, and then I think I was there for about a year. So now I have my notes, I know how to trade, so I'm not there anymore. And I think they aren't open for enrollment right now, but keep your eyes on it, guys, because it is the best. It's honestly the best. And yeah, that's the only person I can recommend, because that's the only person I've ever used. But avoid the whole bring 2 people, you get 250. Please avoid that. And yeah, remember, this is how to get rich in 2022, how to make money in 2022. Get rich, stay rich, period. That's it. So yeah, I wish you guys good luck on your journey. You know, increasing your streams of income. It's not always easy because it's a lot of work, and you know, it's a 50-50 chance, but it's a 0-100 chance if you don't take any steps. So just go ahead and do it. Create the YouTube channel, go babysitting, create the coaching page, counsel somebody, put some money in a high interest savings account, in a Tfsa account, start learning Forex, invest in yourself, pay people to teach you how to trade in the market, pay people to teach you how to trade stocks, invest in stocks. Only invest in what you understand. Don't be a busybody, don't be a longa trots. You want to eat everything. Relax, take time. There'll always be something to invest in, trust me. The stock market is not going away, it's not running away, so you will always have time to invest, but make sure you invest in things that you understand. That is the best way to make money in 2022, and it is the best way to stay rich, or else all your money is going to dangle like this. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are inspired. I hope, you know, you're ready to buckle up. And I wish you guys the best. Like I said, good luck in what you want to do. If you want to know about this makeup look, it's either already up or it's going to be up in the next video. If it's up, I'm going to link it here. Be sure to subscribe, like the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.